Today we will discuss about Laravel. First of all, please subscribe my channel. First release of Laravel over 10 years ago in 2011, Laravel has become the fastest growing PP frameworks on the market, quickly surpassing other popular frameworks such as Symfony, CodeIgniter, and YI in interest. With its popularity continuously growing, Laravel is likely to be the #1 choice in many web development projects. But what exactly is Laravel and why is it used so commonly? What is Laravel? Laravel is an open-source AP framework used to build websites and apps. It contains all the necessary components and features to help web developers create a website using the VP scripting language. It is important to note that Laravel isn't the only framework available to VAP developers. In fact, other popular VP frameworks include Symfony, CodeIgniter, and YI, just to name a few. And if we venture outside the VAP zone, there's even more frameworks available, such as Rails, which is based on the Ruby language, Net, which uses C, or Sails, GS, a JavaScript framework, just like most popular web frameworks. Laravel follows a Model View Controller, AVC, approach to development. This simply means that the development process is broken down into 3 main components: model, how data is handled and maintained on the site or app view. This is the visual representation of the data, or in other words, the UI/EI user interface. This bit will be mostly handled by HTML/CSS. Examples of UI elements may include drop-downs, charts, text boxes, and tables. Controller. As the name suggests, it controls the data shown to the user. When a user interacts with the site app, it will retrieve the relevant data from the model and then display it to the user using the view component. As you can imagine, this MVC approach to website development can have many benefits, including faster development times, easier maintenance, and even greater scalability. This makes a framework like Laravel a desirable choice for custom web projects. For more information, see our post on Laravel benefits. Is Laravel front-end or back-end? Laravel is primarily a back-end framework. It does offer some minor front-end functionality, but works best with another front-end framework. When it comes to selecting a front-end framework for your Laravel project, there are plenty of options to choose from. One of the popular choices for Laravel is Vue.js. There is plenty of documentation and support online for integrating Vue.js with Laravel, as well as other front-end frameworks. How is Laravel different from PP? Laravel is a framework, while VPI or Core PP is a programming language. A framework is a collection of programming languages, libraries, and components. The purpose of using a framework is to make development of a site or app easier and faster, since frameworks already have common features and tasks built in. In comparison, if you were to use Core PP to develop a site from scratch, it would take ages to write the code entirely. The only real similarity between Laravel and VP is that both can be used to build web applications. And of course, without knowledge of VP, it would be very difficult for a developer to use the Laravel framework. Is Laravel a programming language? No. Laravel is a framework built using the VP scripting language. PP is an open-source server-side language. In other words, it is a back-end language responsible for handling and processing data on a website. Client-side languages such as JavaScript, HTML, and CSS are also needed to form the front end of an application. Alongside EAPAP, why is Laravel used? Laravel developers mainly build custom websites or applications using VAPA alongside other languages. Of course, writing the code from scratch in custom projects could take ages, so a framework like Laravel is used to save time. Some of the key features of Laravel include built-in modules. Built-in packages means that you can add ready-made features to your web application without the need of having to write code from scratch. You can even create your own custom packages separately and add them to your site. Automated testing. Laravel offers both unit testing and feature testing. Unit testing can test small pieces of code, while feature testing can be used to test larger pieces of code or features on the site. Route handling. Using simple names rather than long path names makes it easier to manage bigger applications. Plus, all route names can be changed in one place via a dedicated file instead of having to manually change route names multiple times throughout the application. Security features. Laravel offers a range of security features, such as user authentication, role authorizations, email verifications, password hashing, and more database migrations, with version control, database migrations, with versions control, database to much as migrare to Thanks for watching.